Okay, section 4.3, decomposition reaction. The procedure says on a hot plate, gently heat but do not boil the solution for 15 minutes. I've had it going here for about 15 minutes now. So we'll turn that off. And now put the solution on this wire gauze to cool. And in the meantime, we set up a gravity filtration apparatus. So I have a ring stand, an iron ring, and a glass funnel in the iron ring. And we've got a 250 milliliter beaker here to collect the filtrate. And we'll take a piece of filter paper, fold it in half again, and then open one section so it looks kind of like this. And place that in the funnel, and it wants to pop up out of there. What we can do to keep that in place is we'll put a little bit of deionized water on there, just wet the funnel, wet the filter paper down with that, and it will kind of make it stay in place in the funnel. We have an aqueous solution, there's already water in there anyway, so adding this won't hurt anything. We're going to be adding water momentarily anyway. Okay, so this has been cooling about 10 minutes. So now I want to pour this into the funnel, the filter funnel we set up here. So the idea here is to get all of the solids transferred into there and let the liquid drain through. So when you do this, you want to keep the solids pretty well mixed up with the liquid when you pour it. Don't do it so slowly that the solids settle down in the beaker. So I'm going to pour some in here. You also have to be careful not to overflow your filter paper though, because then the solid will get on the outside of the filter paper and you'll lose it through the funnel down into your waste beaker below. And this can be kind of a slow process because the water goes through the funnel pretty slowly. So you can see after I've poured all of this in the funnel, we still have some of the solid left in the beaker. So we can just use a little bit of deionized water to kind of wash this down and transfer this into the funnel as well. Switch hands here. That way we get as much of our product as possible. We don't lose any. Okay, that's pretty good. We just got to wait for that to finish all the water draining through there and leaving our solid in the filter paper. Okay, so you can see our product here in the funnel. It's the black solid that's on the filter paper. The water's still draining through. I'm not going to continue the video just to have that draining. We're going to end it here, but you can see that's your product at the end of section 4.3, and we'll see you in a few minutes in section 4.4.